To integrate Revolut webhooks, start by understanding what webhooks are and how they work. Webhooks are essentially callbacks made by Revolut to your server, notifying you of specific events such as payments, refunds, or account updates. First, you need to set up a server to receive these callbacks. This server should be able to handle HTTP requests and have a publicly accessible URL. Next, log into your Revolut business account and navigate to the Developers section. Here, you will find the webhooks settings where you can add a new webhook. When adding a new webhook, you will need to provide the URL of your server that will receive the callbacks. You can also specify the types of events you want to receive notifications for. After setting up the webhook, Revolut will send a verification request to your server to confirm that the URL is valid. Your server should respond with a 200 status code to verify the webhook. Once verified, your server will start receiving notifications for the specified events. These notifications will be in the form of JSON payloads that contain information about the event. To handle these notifications, your server should be able to parse the JSON payload and perform the necessary actions. For example, if you receive a payment notification, your server could update your database to reflect the new payment status. Best practices for Revolut webhook integration include using secure HTTPS connections to receive notifications, verifying the authenticity of incoming requests, and handling errors and failures gracefully. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Revolut webhooks into your application and start receiving real-time notifications for important events. This will enable you to build more robust and responsive applications that can react to changes in real time.